Welcome to our calculus class. Today I want to teach find the limit at a vertical asymptote using graphs. Okay, our problem is here. The graph shows the fx, the dashed a natural asymptote. Okay, it's a natural asymptote. Okay, all right. So before to solve our problem, let me explain some ideas. The vertical line in this case x is equals a. All right, this is one important data. It's a vertical asymptote. This is a vertical asymptote of gx, okay, of gx. All right, so if the at least one of the left hand limit this limit, you write it like this: g of x when x approach to a, to left hand, okay, or the right hand right hand limit. This is in this way. So limit g of x, x approach to 8, and this case is right hand. It's a positive. This means left hands, and this means positive right hands. Is in this case is the answer negative to infinity or positive infinity. All right, this is the some important data before to take a look. This is very simple. I'm going to identify this information. Okay, where is the limit? Identify the limit in the graph. Okay, if the values of the gx in this case become arbitrarily large. For instance, if the values of the gx in this case become arbitrarily large positive numbers, large positive numbers, okay, as x approach, in this case as x approach from the right, then we are going to have the answer. Then limit g of x is equals infinity when x approach to a positive. So this is one way. It's, because in this case we have two answers, or possible one answer of two. Okay, and the other hands, when a layer large negative numbers, all right, as x approach from right, this case from right, then we have limit g of x equals to negative infinity when x approach to a, to right hands. Okay, this means right hands. Okay, right hands. All right. So, but this negative numbers is positive numbers. We identify two answers. So, in this case, we have two possible answers. Which one? Okay, one is limit of f of x equals positive infinity when x approach, in this case, 2. Where is the limit here? This is the asymptote. The asymptote, this is the vertical line. Where is the vertical line? Right here. Look at this. We have 1, 2. Cross the point number 2 right here is 2, right here. This is the asymptote line, vertical line. Then as approach, and then also is positive. So our right hands, not positive. It's right hands, not left side. Left hands is this side, and right hands is that side. All right. So this is one positive answer, one possible answer. The other possible answer could be limit when f approach of f of x equals negative infinity. All right. When x approach 2, also is right hands. Okay, both are right hands, but one answer could be positive infinity and the other one is negative infinity. All right, one of these is the right answer. So it's 2, x approach 2, right hands in the vertical asymptote. We're talking about this line, vertical line right here is number 2, is 1, 2. That's why it's x approach 2, right hands. All right. So as x, in this case, as x approach 2, from the right hand, the value of x become arbitrarily large negative numbers. This means for any large negative numbers, you can think about there will be a point when x is close to 2, when x is close to 2, and the value of f of x will be less than that number, right? Also, as x gets even closer to, from the right hand, all values, okay, all values right here, all values of f of x will also be less than that number. So less than this number 2, all right? Then, so what is the answer here then? So after this information, we have limit f of x equals when x approach 2 to the right hand. What is the answer? Is infinity positive or negative? Right? See the graph. So of course it's negative, right? Negative. So it will be negative infinity. So the right answer is this one. This one is the right answer. Okay, this is our answer. Right? That's it. Simple. Just identify the limit and the vertical when use asymptote using graph.